Hello students, welcome to the third lecture on the lecture series of Fundamental Arithmetic Operations and BODMAS. Okay, in the theory part what we covered was we covered all the four rules that was governed by the BODMAS rule. Okay, and we learned what are arithmetic operations and what kind of manipulations that we need to do. Okay, when we are given more than two or three type of arithmetic operations in an algebraic equation. Okay, so we will do some exercises to get a better grip on those concepts. So in this lecture we will be covering only exercises. Okay, so let's see. This is the third lecture, and in this lecture what we will be covering is exercises. So the first question is very easy. 147 plus 268, as you can see here, it will be 415. Very basic mathematics. Okay, so the next question is also easy, that is 53 into 46. You can multiply down here. Okay, 53 into 46 and you got 2438. Okay, so let's do this one. So this is the question where what is the quotient and remainder when 3465 is divided by 57. Okay, so we have 3465 and what we want to divide by 57. Okay, so this will be into 6, so 342. So minusing, what we will be getting is 4 5. Okay, so if we put 0 0, right, 45, so 60 will be the quotient and 45 will be the remainder. Okay, so 45 will be the remainder, 60 will be the quotient. So problem number 4. So what it asks us is Sarah has 4 red balloons. Okay, so Sarah 4 red balloons. Okay, and 5 blue balloons. 5. So she have 5 red balloons and 5 blue balloons. So she gives away 2 red balloons to her friend. How many balloons does Sarah have now? So in total, what Sarah had was she had 9 balloons, right? Because 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In general, it is asked about balloons only, not the color. So she gave away 2 red balloons to her friend. So how many balloons does she have left? So minus 2. Okay, what we will do is 9 minus 2. So is equal to 7. So 7 balloons are left now. Okay, the total balloon 9, 2 gave away, so 7 balloons are left. So problem number 5. Ram is 3 times as old as his son. Okay, so if let son's age is equal to x. Okay, so son's age is equal to x. So Ram's age is equal to 3x, as he is 3 times as old as his son. So, okay, so in 5 years the sum of their ages will be 58. So what it asks us is, so after 5 years son's age will be x plus 5. Okay, and what will be Ram's age? Ram's age will be 3x plus 5. Okay, so they say that their addition will be 58. 58. So this implies that 4x plus 10 is equal to 58. So this implies that 4x is equal to 48. So this implies that x is equal to nothing but 12. Okay, 12 is the answer. So it asks us how old are Ram and his son currently. So currently their age is what? X plus 5 and 3x plus 5. So Ram's age is 12 plus 5 is equal to Ram current age, that is actually equal to what? 17. So he is a 17-year teen now. And then what is there? What is his father's age now? Okay, so 3x plus 5. So 3 into 12 plus 5 is equal to what? 36 plus 5 is equal to 41 years. Father's current age. Okay, So the questions ends here. So the next question will be, a farmer has chickens and cows in his field. So if he counts a total of 50 heads and 140 legs, how many chickens and cows does the farmer have? Okay, so here is a bit of part that you need to know, that here two kind of entities are there. One a chicken, one a cow. So one head, two leg, one head, four leg. Okay, so let's say number of cows are y and number of chicken are x. So in general there are 2x plus 4y number of legs, that is equal to 140, and number of heads is equal to x plus y because both have only one head, so that is actually equal to 50. So what we can do right now is we multiply by 2 into 2 by this equation. Okay, we multiply 2 with the whole equation. So what we are left with is 2x plus 4y is equal to 140 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 100. So by minusing this from that, okay, what we are left with is 4y minus 2y is equal to 2y is equal to 40. So this implies that y is equal to 20. So what we can figure out from here is, since there are 20 cows, so this implies that x plus y is equal to 50. This implies that x is equal to 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. Okay, so 30 will be the correct answer. Okay, and 20 will be also. Number of chickens is equal to what? 30, and number of cows is equal to 20. So let's see the answer. Okay, 30 is number of chickens and 20 is the number of cows. Okay, so the problem number 7 asks us that what is 7 plus 3 into 2? Okay, we'll use the BODMAS rule. So the BODMAS rule, what it asks us is to search for brackets first. There are none. So we go down to O. That is, we search for powers or exponents. Are there any? No. So let's go down to division. Are there any? No. But there are multiplication. Okay. So we have to do it first. So 7 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now what we do is we look for addition. There is 1. So we write it and the answer is 13. So 13 will be the final answer. Okay, what we did was first did the multiplication, then the addition. Okay, multiplication comes before addition. So let's do problem number 8. So evaluate the expression 4 plus 9 divided by 3 minus 2 power 3 plus 6. Okay, we'll again use BODMAS rule. So BODMAS. Okay, are there any brackets? No. Are there any exponents? Yes. So let's solve it. So 4 plus 9 division 3 minus 8 plus 6. So this was done. So let's go for division. Is there any? Yes. So 4 plus 9 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 8 plus 6. So what we are left with is for multiplication. Are there any? No. So no multiplication. Then go for addition. So positive 4, positive 3 and positive 6. So they will be added first. So 4 plus 3 plus 6, that is equal to 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. And then what will be left with is subtraction. So there is 1. So minus 8. So this is equal to 5. So 5 will be the final answer. Okay. So you can see here 5 is the final answer. So let's go for problem number 9. So evaluate the expression 5 square minus 3 into 4 plus 6 divided by 2 whole into 3 plus square root of 81 minus 4 factorial. Okay. So let's learn first factorial. What is factorial? Okay. So if you are given a natural number n, so the number is natural number. Okay. So what is the set of natural number? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. And what is n factorial? N factorial is nothing but n is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on up to into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So this is what n factorial is. Okay. And 1 factorial is specifiedly this is for n greater than equal to 2. Okay. And 1 factorial is equal to 1 and 0 factorial is also equal to 1. Okay. These are the things that you need to remember. Okay. So let's now solve this question. So what we look for first is bracket and we solve the brackets first. So if we solve this bracket first, what will be left with is 4 plus, then inside it what we'll do, we'll again do BODMAS rule. So inside this there is no bracket, but there is division. Okay, so we'll do the division. 6 by 2 is equal to 3 and then we add the addition. So 4 plus 3 into minus 3 and 5 square into 3 plus square root of 81 minus 4 factorial. Okay, so this is equal to 25 minus 3 into 7 is equal to 21 into 3. Okay, plus square root of 81. So okay, let's do what? Let's simplify the exponents. Here exponent is 1 by 2, so let's simplify it and write 9 and minus 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is nothing but 12. No, 24. Okay, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to 25 minus 24, this one, and then what we do is minus 21 into 3. So this will be 63 plus 9. So let's do now MAS. So there is no multiplication, and now what we do is we do the addition part. Okay, so plus 2 5 and plus 9, that is equal to plus 3 4 minus 24 minus 63. This is equal to what? 10 minus 63 is equal to minus 53. So this is final answer. Okay, so minus 53 is the final answer. So let's see problem number 10. So what it asks us is, it tells us that Dev ate 1 by 4th of a chocolate bar. Okay, so Dev, what he did was he ate 1 by 4th of chocolate. Okay, and Sarah ate 1 by chocolate. Okay, so how much of chocolate bar is left? So 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. First what Dev did was he ate 1 by 4th of the chocolate, so 1 minus 1 by 4. Then what Sarah did was he ate 1 by 2nd of whatever was remaining from the chocolate bar. Okay, so let's see the solution. What we need to do is we get the LCM first, but in this case we know the LCM is 4. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to, so 4 minus 1 minus 2, right? So 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will be the final answer. Determine how much is left, subtract the amount from eaten from 1. Okay, and we got the answer same. Okay, 1 by 4 of the chocolate bar is left. Question number 11. A fabric store sells ribbon by the meter. If 1 meter of ribbon costs 3.75 and Ria buys 2.4 meters, how much does she spend? Okay, so what is asked here is, a fabric store is there and it sells ribbons. Okay, and by which unit it sells? It sells by meter. Okay, so 1 meter of ribbon costs 3.75 and Ria buys 2.4 meters. So 1 meter means 3.75 rupees. So 2.4 meter means 3.75 into 2.4. So that is nothing but 375 by 100 into 2.4 by 10. So this will be For 5, what it will be equal to is 350, so 70, 75, okay, and this is 2, 24, so this will be 12, okay, 56, okay, so 70 by 50 into 6, so 6 will be also, this will be 25 and this will be 3, and this is not 70, this is 75, so 70 into 3, so 225 by 25, so that is nothing but 9, okay, 25 into 9 is equal to 225. So let's see problem number 12 first. Okay. So an art teacher uses 3 by 5 liters of blue paint and 2.35 liters of red paint for class project. So if each liter of paint cost 4.20, how much did she spend in total for the blue and red paint? Okay. Since both the paints cost the same, let's add the amount of paint that is being used in both the cases, that is 3 by 5 plus 2.35, and converting the decimal to fraction, what we get is 3 by 5 plus 235 by 100. Okay, this is nothing but 100, and then into 20, so 20 into 3 is equal to 60 plus 235. Okay, so it will be equal to 295 by 100. Okay, so this will be equal to what? So 59 by 20. So this is the amount, okay, of both the type of paint, okay, in total. So per liter what is spent is 4.20, so this multiplied with 59 by 20, so what it will be equal to is 420 by 100 into 59 by 20. Okay, whatever is it will be the final answer. So 2.95 into 4.20 is equal to 12.39. 12.39 is the total cost. Let's solve problem number 13. So what it asks us is, it asks us that the notebook costs 15 rupees and it is discounted by 10%. What is the sale price? So 10% of 15, this is equal to what? 0.10 into 15, that is equal to 1.5. So if this is the discount price and the sale price is equal to original cost minus discount, so this is equal to 15 minus 1.5, that is equal to 13.5 is the final answer. Okay, discount, and this is the final answer, that is the sale price. Okay, so problem number 14. After being increased by 15%, the salary becomes 5750. So what is the original salary? Okay, so after being increased by 15%, so 115% is equal to 5750. Okay, so 1% is equal to 5750 by 115. Okay, so this implies that 100% is equal to 5750 by 115 into 100. Okay, easy. So what it is equal to is x is equal to 5000 is the answer. So let's see problem number 15. A product's price is first increased by 20%, and then what is done is it is discounted by 20%. If the final price of the product is 144, what was its original price? Okay, so let's see. So let the original price be y. After 20% increase, the price is y plus 20% of y. Okay, so y plus 0.20y. Okay, as you can see here, y plus 20y is equal to what? Y 1.20y. So the solution is, after a subsequent 20% discount on 1.20, the price becomes 1.20 minus 20% of 1.20y. That is equal to 1.20 minus 1.20 whole into 1.20y. Here 0.20. Okay. So 1.20y minus 0.24y, this is equal to 96y, 0.96y. So 0.96y is 144. Dividing 0.96 by both sides, what we get is y is equal to 150. So the original price was 150. This is the final answer. So a trader sells his hut for 600 rupees and incurring a loss of 20%. So find the cost of the price of this hut. Okay. So trader sells his hut for 60%, but with a loss of 20%. So basically 80% is equal to, if you like that, 1 is equal to what? 600 by 80. This implies that 400% what? 600 by 80 into 100. So 0 is cut down there. So 6000 by 8. Okay. So 6000 by 8 is nothing but 750. Okay. So let's see problem number 17. A shopkeeper sells two types of rice. He sells first type at a profit of 25% and the second type at a loss of 15%. If the overall profit percentage is 10%, then the total selling price is 800. Find the cost of each type of rice. So let's break the problem. Okay. So let cost price of the first type of rice be x and second type be y. Okay, so selling price of the first type of rice is equal to 25% of x is equal to, in decimal form, 0.25x. Therefore, selling price will be 1.25x. And selling price of the second type of rice is with 15% loss. So that is why y minus 0.15y is equal to 0.85y. So it is told to us that their both sum is 800. Okay. So from the problem, we also know that the overall profit is 10%. That means the total selling price is 110% of the total cost price. So total cost price is x plus y. So given that 110% of x plus y is 800, so we can solve that x plus y is nothing but 727.27. Okay. So from the equation 1 and 2, okay, 1.25x plus 0.85y is equal to 800. This implies that 1.25x is equal to 800 minus 0.85y. So this implies what is? This implies x is equal to 800 minus 0.85y whole by 1.25. So substituting these values, okay, what we get is 727.27. Okay. So combining the like terms, 0.4y is equal to 109.09 and dividing by 0.5 on 0.4 on both sides because we want only y in the left hand side. So this will be equal to 272.73. Okay. So the cost of price of second type of rice is 272.73 rupees. And cost of the first type of price is 454.54 rupees. So let's see problem number 18. So the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2:3. If there are 10 boys, okay. So ratio, let 2x is equal to 10. This implies that x is equal to 5. So this implies that 3x is equal to 15. Number of girls is equal to 15. Okay, 15 is the final answer. Okay, 15 is the final answer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.